Okay, now we're going to move on to our sense of taste. I like this one because I like things that taste good. Make sure you have your tongue diagram to help you. Manny, the mouth, has joined us as well, so you can have a big picture of a mouth. Now, how do we taste? Our tongue has thousands of taste buds, that's right. And taste buds help us taste. They communicate with our brain again. But our tongues only have a few different parts on them, a few different tastes. In the front we have sweet, yum. On the side we have sour. In the middle we have something called umami. Can you say umami? That just means savory. So maybe a good hamburger? I don't know. On the back, on the sides, salty, and in the very back, bitter. So if we only have a few locations on our tongue, how do we know what we're eating? Well, this is where it gets really cool. Our sense of smell and our sense of taste work together. Do you remember how many different smells our olfactory receptors can process? Over 10,000. And so it takes the few that we have on our tongue, combines it with what we're smelling, and tells our brain exactly what we're tasting. That's amazing. All right. So we have given you some salt candy. Now, I want you to put it on your tongue and see what you taste. Put it on all the different parts of your tongue. Does it taste different? Does it taste the same? Now we're going to try to cut out our sense of smell. So rinse your mouth out. Now when you put the salt on your tongue, plug your nose. Can you taste anything without your sense of smell? Isn't that interesting? Now look at your pictures of food again. Can you come up with some words to describe how each one might taste? Try it out. Try something sweet. Try something salty. Try something savory. See how your taste buds work. Go explore, have fun, and I will see you back here for the next lesson.